Drink and Hospitality Week at ExCel London. We're here at IFE to visit 5 of Quadrant2Design clients and maybe try some samples.
It's been good so far. I mean, only in the second day. Yesterday was quite busy, but it really helps having the stand because I just had to rock up on Monday morning and it was done. So that makes a massive difference. I think people are more interested in the stand than the products. This morning, people were taking photos of it. They've all complimented it, and it makes the products look pretty nice, all lit up, and it's the right colors. Yeah.
What did you like? What you maybe don't like?
I like the colors. I like the lights. I like that it looks professional. I like that we didn't have to do it. What I don't like, that there's a place for me to go and have a nap if I want it, because it's tempting.
I know that when you were designing the stands, you wanted 3 different brands to put together in one stand. How do you think that you achieved the cohesiveness regardless of that diverse branding?
I think the actual layout, how it filters from one brand to the other, helps. I think the color palette helps again. Before we had very bright block colors for the different brands and it just separated them a little bit too much, whereas this separates them by space, but they still seem to go together by color.
So the hotel, restaurant and catering show is a fantastic show for us for the simple reason that we've got a big focus on F&B coming up over the course of the next year. We get a lot of demand within that area, so we're looking at suppliers that will be relevant for this particular space, and it's been fantastic for us so far. People love the stand, they really do. They love the fact of the logo, they think it's very clear to the point, and they seem to understand what we do. So yeah, the stand itself has been. What I love about the stand providers is that they come here, they build it up, we just bring the products in. It's very, it's very sort of, it's a lot of less stress for us. Yeah, stress-free experience for us. And we sort of come in, bring the products and go, and it's all put down for us and we can just crack on with the rest of the day. I think it screams luxury, and that's what we aim for, is very much 4 to 5-star luxury boutique independents and luxury chains. So a lot of people come by the stand and they look at this picture and they go, I wish I was there, and a lot of people, they tend to want to ask questions about what we do, and we can supply absolutely anything that you need for your high-end hotel. So it's always been positive for us.
So we are American wholesalers. We do all the confectionery, groceries, drinks, and yeah, we're the leading wholesalers for the American goods in the UK. We wanted to bring a candy vibe, a candy shop vibe. So the whole point was to have a lot of colorful designs, a lot of walkthroughs, and people should be able to come in and not feel like, oh, we're in a meeting room. The whole experience should be there. So I think that way we've delivered it quite well. I think my favorite one is the brands where you can see the light, the uplift. It really brings it out well, especially the walkway throughout here. So yeah, we do like the stand quite a lot, and I think we're quite happy with it. We've got a lot of feedback. Everybody's coming here taking pictures of the stand itself, so that way you feel good. We're quite happy. Quadrant have really delivered. So hopefully in the next 3 to 4 years we can actually expand our stand. Yeah, really good, really happy with it. That's one of the main reasons we chose Quadrant. So the whole restructure, reuse, we're actually reusing the stand in NEC, so that should be good.
So Jersey Dairy are a dairy on the island of Jersey. We have 100,000 people living there, and we have 3,000 cows, which is far too many cows for the number of people that live there. So we are here today exporting and supporting our export business to the UK, but also looking for opportunities elsewhere around the world.
And how has this stand served you in delivering your message, in showing your products to the world?
It's done a fantastic job this year. So far we've had a very diverse number of customers on from different markets all around the world, which is in line with what we're looking for. So it's worked very well for us, particularly for launching some of our newer products. The actual part of it would be just the signage and how much it stands out and the colour and the location of it. Yes, a lot of people like it because it's quite different to a lot of dairy-based businesses. It's brighter and more vibrant, and it's just a nice shape. It seems to work. It's been really easy to do. It's always easy, we just turn up and the stand's always built for us, but the format of it works for us. So yes, it's just nice to have this format of the stand. It's what we're used to, and we use it every time, and it's been a success. So we've had this particular format for about 4 years now, and we've just 5 or 6 years. We've just upgraded the branding and the colours really, and the graphics.
To stand out here, you need inventive display solutions and graphics that make an impact. This is where our prestige event system, with its 100% graphic look and bespoke product display, really shine. So contact our team today for your free, no obligation 3D design proposal.